Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making sure the file is tracked. Save the presentation to OneDrive or SharePoint and turn Auto Save on so Office Records versions automatically. Once done, open the presentation in PowerPoint Desktop or the web app. Then go straight to File, choose Info, and look for version history. This launches the timeline of saved versions. You do this first because local PPTX files not in the cloud won't show server-side history, so cloud storage is required for reliability. Next, open the version history pane and scan the listed timestamps and author names. This tells you who changed what and when. Click a version to preview it in read-only mode so you can inspect slides without altering the current file. If you need to compare, open the older version in a separate window or use the built-in compare tools to spot edits slide by slide. This step helps you decide whether to restore, copy, or merge content based on visible differences and authorship. Finally, restore the chosen version or save a copy so you preserve the current file while retrieving older content. Make sure to notify collaborators after restoring so they don't overwrite your recovery. Version history tracks changes, but communication prevents repeated conflicts. If you can't find any versions, check that the file is on OneDrive/SharePoint and autosave was enabled, or sign into the correct account. If problems persist, check the OneDrive recycle bin or contact your IT admin for server-side recovery assistance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.